flip those over. Oh. Play. Play.
Okay, can you do it?
That one's flipped over though. I put this one in here and then this one right here. And then here. And then here. And then there. And then here. Mom, where's Taco's here?
You got
This
it.
one?
Yeah.
Okay. Why I put it on?
Did it. What's next?
This one? Oh, yeah, this one. Now, let's make the dolly. Which one is the dolly? Which one is the dolly?
Which one's
This one, this one.
We'll put that on top and then you've got the whole dolly.
No, I'm teaching. Which one? No, I have them tell you.
Okay.
What? Which one's the dolly? This one or this one?
That one.
That one?
Mm-hmm.
We're not putting this home for a while so we can play with it, right?
Yep, she sure did. Can you show me your shaggies?
Mm-hmm. What?
Which-
There.
Oh, thank you. They're very cute. I love you.